Hey, this is Shopperhill Reviews, and we are here to find the best deals from the best seller. This is 10th generation Intel Core processor, Xiaomi notebook. All new dedicated graphics NVIDIA GeForce MX250, with dual-channel large storage 2666 MHz DDR4. 100% sRGB 178-degree viewing angle, with 2GB GDDR5 high-speed memory, image and video processing speed up to 3.5 times. Equipped with the 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, the comprehensive performance is 7 to 10% higher than the either generation. 1080p Full HD IPS anti-glare large screen, up to 81.5% ratio of the screen, wider and comfortable display. Just find the link in the description. It has full-size keyboard, 19.5 mm big key distance, as the desktop computer, avoid the control mistake. 802.1 LAC network protocol, Intel 2 Multiply 2 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Shopperhill tried the best level to ensure the product quality with guaranteed delivery. High-res audio create a beautiful mobile entertainment experience with hunting and engaging flowing sound effects. 50% charge in 40 minutes, and this is the best professional experience. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.